In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Elementor editor, a fantastic tool for anyone looking to create and customize WordPress websites without needing to code. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just beginning your web design journey, Elementor provides a user-friendly interface and powerful features that can help bring your vision to life. Let's dive right into the process. First, ensure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your website's control center, where you can manage all your site's content and settings. Once you're comfortably logged in, look toward the left-hand menu. This is your primary navigation tool in WordPress, giving you access to different areas of your website. Keep an eye out for the Pages tab. You'll want to click on it. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the pages currently available on your website. Next, decide on which page you want to use the Elementor editor. If you don't yet have a specific page in mind, feel free to create a new one by clicking Add New at the top. Once you've found your page or created a new one, hover over the title of the page until you see the small, but important, Edit with Elementor button appear. Click this button, and you'll be directed straight into the Elementor editing interface. Now that Elementor is open, take a moment to get acquainted with its layout. On the right side, you'll see an exact visual representation of the page you're working on. This is your canvas, where you'll make all your tweaks and changes, with instant visual feedback. On the left, you have the Elementor panel. This is like your box of design tools, containing various widgets and elements you can drag and drop onto your page. From basic elements like headings and images to more advanced options such as sliders and galleries, everything is right at your fingertips. To start making changes, simply drag an element from the panel on the left and drop it onto your page on the right. If you make a mistake or want to try something different, use the handy undo button or press Ctrl-Z to quickly reverse your action. It's all about experimenting until you find a design that works perfectly for your needs. With your basic layout set, explore customizing each element further. Click on any widget to open its settings, where you can adjust properties like color, font, size, and much more. Remember, Elementor is all about flexibility, so take your time exploring each option to see what works best for your page. Once you're happy with your design, don't forget to hit the green Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel. This action will save all your changes and make them live on your website. And there you have it, you're on your way to building beautiful websites using the Elementor editor.